All right, everybody, welcome back to another exciting episode of Teacher Kenneth Teaches You English. I'm your host, Teacher Kenneth. So today is part 2 of American Idioms. This time, I'm going to teach you about 5 more American idioms. So, number 6 is drop the ball. Number 7 is game plan. Number 8, to take sides. Number 9, I'm all ears. And number 10, give me a hand. Enjoy the show. Number 6, drop the ball. Here we're talking about sports. If you play a sport with a ball, basketball, football, baseball, what is your goal? Your goal is to hold the ball. Don't drop the ball. Normally, you want to keep the ball and score a point. So if you drop the ball, oh no, I dropped the ball. It's a bad thing. He tried to catch the ball and he dropped it. So that's not good. To drop the ball means to fail, to make a big mistake, to lose the game. Number 1, don't drop the ball. The group is counting on you. Maybe you're working on a school project. Everybody is counting on you for some part of the assignment. So don't drop the ball. We need your help. Number 2, she wanted you to ask her out. You really dropped the ball, man. So some girl at school likes you. She's thinking about you, but you're too nervous and you go to talk to her, you're like, oh, okay, see you later. And then she looks like, what? What happened? I thought he would ask me out. Why didn't he ask me out? You dropped the ball. You missed your chance. You made a big mistake. You failed. Number 3, this was such an easy assignment. How did you drop the ball? You failed. You didn't turn in your homework. You didn't complete the test. Number 7, game plan. Another one that's about sports or a game. If you play a sport, you want to have a plan. So I might say, hey, what's the game plan? Even if I'm not talking about sports. So here you have a picture of a guy, he's thinking, he's planning, what should he do? Plans help you win. Plans are for strategy, and plans help you with what you should do. Number 1, our first example, summer break is coming. What's the game plan? So I want to know, hey, summer break is coming, the holiday's coming. What's the game plan? What should we do? What should we do during the break? Should we travel? Should we play games? Should we study? Let me know what you want to do if you want to hang out. Number 2, what's the game plan for tonight? Party at your place? So I want to know, hey, what are we doing tonight? What are the plans? Do you want to eat? Do you want to go out and watch a movie? Number 3, we can't just travel to Japan. We need a game plan. Don't just go to Japan with no plan. What are we going to do? I don't know. What do you want to do? I don't know. You need a game plan. You need to figure out what you're going to do. What's the first thing? What's the second thing? That way you win. You achieve your goals. You get to do a lot of stuff. Number 8, to take sides. In sports, there are 2 sides. Red team, blue team, orange team, white team, black team. There's usually 2 sides in teams. Here are 2 people arguing. To take sides really means to choose one side. If somebody's arguing or there's a disagreement, no, we should go here. No, we should go here. Blah, 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 blah. They're fighting. And you come in and you say, yeah, I agree with Teacher Kenneth. How can you agree with Teacher Kenneth? So to take sides means to choose one. Your 2 friends want to go to the beach, but they don't know which beach they should go to. So you say, oh, I agree with Teacher Kenneth. We should go to Phuket. Your other friend says, no, I want to go to Hua Hin. How can you take his side? How can you take his side? You always take his side. We use to take sides during disagreements or when there's an argument. We use it when there's right and wrong and when somebody must choose something. Number 1, you always agree with him. You always take his side. How come you always take his side? You always think I'm wrong. It's not fair. Number 3, you're my wife. You know I'll always take your side. I will always agree with you. I will always support you. I will always be there for you and help you and love you. I'm on your team. Number 9, I'm all ears. An example here, here's a picture, all ears. I thought this was funny. So you can see the man is all ears. He is listening. Listening to everything you say. Somebody needs help. I'm all ears. I need your help. Please give me some advice. They will take your advice. Number 1, if you know how to fix the computer, please tell me. I'm all ears. I'm listening. Help me. Give me some advice. Tell me what to do. Number 2, so here we have Nick and Kyle. They're talking to each other. Nick and Kyle. Okay, so Nick says, I don't know what to do. Kyle says, I know what you should do. Nick says, tell me. I'm all ears. I'm listening. Please tell me. Nick is asking for Kyle's opinion. Nick is asking for Kyle's advice. Number 3, if you have a better idea, I'm all ears. My idea is to go to the mall at 7 o'clock and get some food. But maybe it's not the best idea. If you have a better idea, please tell me. I'm all ears. Right? I have ears everywhere. It just means I'm listening. The last one here, give me a hand. Right? You have 2 hands. Can you imagine? Imagine if you had 3 hands. If you had more hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What could you do with 3 hands? All it means is help me. Come help me. Come help me with some work. Come help me do something. I need your help. Number 1, I can't make it. I can't make it. Give me a hand. Help me, please. Number 2, can you give me a hand with the laundry? There's so much. Hey, there's a lot of laundry. There's a lot of clothes. Can you help me, please? Number 3, come by the shop tomorrow and give me a hand. So here I'm asking you for help. Come by the shop. Come help serve the guests. Okay, so that's going to do it for American Idioms Part 2. Number 6 was drop the ball. Number 7 was game plan. Number 8, to take sides. Number 9, I'm all ears. And number 10, give me a hand. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.